If you have been importing from China using Made in China shopping app or shopping web, consider to watch this video because I'm going to show you in this video how to find trusted manufacturer or Made in China on the web or shopping app. So let's spin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to source your product from any Chinese e-commerce platform, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to safely import from China using Made in China shopping app or Made in China shopping web. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to find trusted manufacturer at Made in China shopping app. So let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is to simply click on Made in China right here. So you need to make sure you have the app download and install on your phone. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, just go to your Play Store on Android, download Made in China, or better still, if you are using iPhone, go to your App Store, download Made in China. It's an app that will allow you to connect with manufacturer from different regions in China. Now, in this tutorial, I will show you on how to simply find tested and trusted manufacturer at Made in China. This is very much important. And for you to see that, you can simply come to all category right here. Click on all categories. So on getting to all category of the products, this is how it's going to load up. You can scroll down and see more and more. Now, for you to easily find trusted manufacturer, you can say, for instance, we want to get this type of female bag, top bag. So I'm going to simply click on it. This is just an indication of identify trusted and tested manufacturer. Now everything is going to load up right here. Now we need to identify that we are looking for manufacturer. Okay, so I'm going to swipe this way. Then we have to make sure we click on company type right here. So what we need is manufacturer and factory. So I'm going to simply click on that. So we have left with the result of manufacturers and factory of this type of product. Now, for you to know if a manufacturer can be trusted, what you need to do is to make sure you see this on their page. Secure trading service. This is very much important. You can see not every manufacturer here have this. So this one does not have, this one here does not have. Okay, so you can scroll down and check on more and more. You can see this is another manufacturer that have this. Okay, this one does not have, this one does not have. They are not secure. So for you to have a rest of mind, always make sure that you patronize or make your purchase from this type of store that have secure trading service. Now let's simply click on the product link and then we'll see everything right here. Now we have their product here and their means of payment, which is Visa or MasterCard or Discover, American Express, etc. And they have their refund and return policy of 30 days. Okay, now you can scroll down and see more information about the store and then about the product detail. You can scroll down and then the more you scroll down, the more details is going to load up. You can see their factory and production line and the lights. So you can see it right here. Scroll down and see more. Then when you want to make an inquiry, simply click on send an inquiry, or better still, you can chat with the customer support on the sales page, or better still, click on start order. When you click on start order, this is where you place your order, add your shipping address, your billing address, and then add your MOQ right here. Okay, so it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply find a trusted manufacturer at Made in China. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.